Have you ever felt frustrated when those stunning dresses just don't seem to fit? Struggling with weight can be really tough, but remember, you're not alone. Obesity is a complex issue, influenced by many factors, including our genes. But having obesity genes doesn't mean you're destined to be overweight. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can take control. Welcome to our channel BtheFIT. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of genetics and weight management. We'll uncover what obesity genes are, how these genes make you bulky, how to outsmart the obesity gene and become smart and slim. So, let's get started. Let's first talk about what we mean by obesity genes. Obesity genes are specific variations in our DNA that can make some people more likely to gain weight. Our genes carry instructions for how our bodies function, and sometimes these instructions can affect things like how we store fat, how hungry we feel, and how our bodies burn calories. Recent studies have identified several genes associated with obesity. For instance, researchers have discovered 14 genes that can cause obesity and 3 that can prevent it. Let's discuss some of the genes that have been consistently linked to obesity.
LEPR.
This gene helps regulate appetite by signaling the brain that you're full. Mutations in LEPR can lead to uncontrollable hunger and obesity.
MC4R.
Another important gene is the MC4R gene. This gene helps regulate our hunger and energy balance. Variations in the MC4R gene can disrupt these signals, making it harder to feel full and easier to gain weight.
POMC.
The POMC gene affects the production of certain hormones that control appetite and energy use. When there are changes in this gene, it can lead to increased hunger and reduced energy expenditure. FTO gene, often called the fat mass and obesity-associated gene. This is the most common gene associated with a higher risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. It's estimated that up to 40% of the population carries a variant of the FTO gene that increases their risk of obesity. Certain variations of this gene can increase your appetite and make you more likely to crave high-calorie foods. This can lead to weight gain over time. But having these genes doesn't mean you're destined to be overweight. It just means you might have to be more mindful about your lifestyle choices. For example, a study from Harvard Th Chan School of Public Health shows that healthy diets and exercise can counteract the effects of obesity genes. Let's explore some strategies and the science behind how you can take control of your weight and health. Plan and prepare meals. Meal planning can help you make healthier choices and avoid last-minute unhealthy options. According to a study in Public Health Nutrition, people who plan their meals are more likely to eat a balanced diet and manage their weight effectively. Eat a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Studies show that diets high in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help counteract the effects of obesity genes. For example, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that people with the FTO gene variant were able to maintain a healthy weight by following a Mediterranean diet. Focus on high-fiber foods. Fiber can help you feel fuller longer and improve digestion. According to research in the Journal of Nutrition, high-fiber diets can mitigate the effects of obesity genes by promoting satiety and reducing overall calorie intake.
Opt for whole grains.
Whole grains are packed with nutrients and fiber, which can help with weight management. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat can reduce the impact of obesity genes by promoting a healthy metabolism. Incorporate plenty of vegetables. Vegetables are low in calories and high in nutrients. According to research in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, consuming a variety of vegetables can help control weight by providing essential vitamins and minerals without adding excess calories.
Choose healthy fats.
Healthy fats are crucial for overall health and can help manage weight. A study in The Lancet found that diets high in healthy fats, like those from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil, can support weight loss and improve metabolic health. Exercise regularly. Physical activity is crucial. According to research from PLOS Genetics, Regular exercise can reduce the impact of genetic predisposition to obesity by up to 40%. So, find an activity you love, whether it's running, swimming, or dancing, and make it a part of your routine.
Get enough sleep.
Poor sleep can interact with obesity genes to increase weight gain. A study in Nature Communications found that people who slept less than 6 hours a night were more likely to be obese, especially if they had certain genetic markers. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night.
Manage stress.
Chronic stress can activate obesity-related genes. Practicing stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help keep those genes in check. A study published in Obesity Review supports this, showing that stress management can significantly reduce the risk of obesity in genetically predisposed individuals. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can help control appetite and boost metabolism. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that drinking water increased metabolic rate by 30% for up to 40 minutes. Keeping hydrated is especially important if you're genetically prone to obesity. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks. Sugar can be particularly harmful if you have obesity genes. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that sugary drinks and snacks can exacerbate genetic tendencies toward weight gain. Opt for water or unsweetened beverages instead. Choose fruits wisely. Fruits are healthy but can be high in natural sugars. Focus on fruits that have a lower glycemic index, like berries, apples, and pears, which can help maintain steady blood sugar levels. A study in Nutrition and Metabolism supports this approach for better weight management.
Include lean proteins.
Lean proteins help build muscle and keep you full longer. According to a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, proteins can help reduce hunger and prevent overeating. Opt for sources like chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and legumes.
Monitor your portions.
Portion control is key. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in large quantities. A study from Appetite Journal indicates that mindful eating and portion control can help manage weight in individuals with obesity-related genetic markers. Stay consistent and patient. Remember, lifestyle changes take time, especially when working against genetic predispositions. A study in the Obesity Journal emphasizes the importance of consistency and patience in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Stick with it, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Seek professional guidance. If you have a strong family history of obesity, consulting with healthcare professionals like dietitians or genetic counselors can provide personalized strategies to manage your weight effectively.
So, what can you do?
First, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Second, incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Jogging, mountain climbing, and yoga have been shown to be particularly effective for. Remember, genes are not your destiny. With smart choices and consistent action, you can beat the obesity gene. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll discuss specific diets and exercises tailored to your genetic makeup. Until then, stay healthy and motivated.